forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to do extra problems on inverse trigonometric functions. Write the following functions in the simplest form. Question number 1. Tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x where x not equal to 0. What is the meaning of this x not equal to 0? In so many questions it is given x not equal to 0, x greater than 1. In few questions it is condition, in few questions it is validity. These questions valid only when x not equal to 0 because we can't divide any number by 0. So first steps, according to substitution table, let x equal to tan theta. Whenever 1 plus x square, always let x equal to tan theta. Because we know 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta identity. Implies theta equal to tan inverse x. Give equation number 1. Is equal to tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. अब now simplify. Tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Everyone know this identity? And square root of sec square theta, sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. No need to write mod because root sec square theta equal to mod sec theta, but there is no condition in this question, so mod is not required. Next step, simplify. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta minus 1 or tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Now taking LCM in numerator. LCM is cos theta, so 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta. But in denominator also cos theta, so cancel. So only write sin theta. अब now apply half angle formula. Everyone know this formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. But here 1 minus cos theta only in place of 2 theta, theta. So use half angle. 2 sin square theta by 2. Similarly sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. But here only sin theta. So we can write 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Sin theta by 2 and square cancel. Is equal to tan inverse sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2. Theta by 2 means 1 by 2 theta and theta equal to tan inverse x. This is very important questions for all other questions. Please do 1 or 2 times at home. Next problem 2. Tan inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1 comma mod x is greater than 1. Again this is validity. When mod x is greater than 1, then this root is valid. So first I will discuss this. Mod x is greater than 1. Meaning of this. Mod x is greater than this 1 means x lies between minus 1 and 1. We can also write, x belong to minus infinity to 1 minus 1 union 1 to infinity, or we can also write x belong to set of real number minus 1 comma 1. So clearly when x belong, take any number between this and this. For example minus 2. Minus 2 is square, 4 minus 1, 3, so this is valid. So this is only validity. Now simplify. X square minus 1, we can put x equal to sec theta or x equal to cosec theta. Both are correct. So let x equal to sec theta implies theta equal to sec inverse x. Tan inverse 1 upon sec square theta minus 1 tan inverse. अब sec square theta minus 1 tan square theta and square root of tan square theta. There is no condition, so no need to write more, only write tan theta. 1 upon tan theta cot theta. Tan inverse, we know tan inverse tan theta equal to theta, but here cot theta is there, so write tan inverse in place of cot theta. We can write tan pi by 2 minus theta. Next step, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta, so we get pi by 2 minus theta. Now substitute value of theta. In place of theta, we can write sec inverse x. But it looks backside answer is cosec inverse x. Everyone know sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. One of the identity. So cosec inverse x. Identity number 5. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. This is one of the method. Next problem. Tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. When x lies between 0 to pi. This time this is condition. Tan inverse. Apply half angle formula. We know these two formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Compare with these two formula. 1 minus cos x. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 theta equal to x. Then theta equal to x by 2. So in place of theta write x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2. Next step, tan inverse 2 or 2 cancel, sin square upon cos square. So tan square x by 2. This time condition. So don't write directly tan x by 2. Write more tan x by 2. A value of mode depend on value of x by 2. X lies between 0 to pi. Therefore, x by 2 lies between 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, tan theta is positive. So this is positive quantity. So no need to write more. Tan inverse tan x by 2. Or tan inverse tan theta equal to theta. If theta belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Clearly x by 2 belong to 0 to pi by 4. So we can write x by 2. Sorry, this is pi by 2. So now x by 2. Next problem. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. X belong to minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. We can also write x belong to minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Small bracket. Next steps. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. अब divide numerator by cos x means divide each term by cos x. Cos x upon cos x 1 minus sin x upon cos x tan x upon cos x upon cos x 1 plus sin x upon cos x tan x. Same as remark. Next step, tan inverse. In place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. We can write 1 into tan x, or in place of 1 we can write tan pi by 4 into 10x. This is identity of 11th class. 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. So we can write 10 pi by 4 minus x. In any competition exam, we can write directly 10 pi by 4 minus x. Next step, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta if theta belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Principal will branch of tan inverse. So please check. X belong to this. Therefore, pi by 4 minus x. How can you find pi by 4 minus x? First subtract pi by 4 minus this. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 2 and pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus pi by 2. Or always write in ascending order. First smaller number and then larger number. So first write minus pi by 2 and then pi by 2. नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं, इसमें से इसको माइनस करके यही लिख देंगे पाई बाय 2 फर्स्ट और माइनस पाई बाय 2 सेकंड. नो, ऑलवेज राइट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. So this quantity lies between tan inverse 10 pi by 4 minus x equal to pi by 4 minus x. Why? Because this quantity belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Principal value branch of tan inverse x. Next problem. Tan inverse 3 square x minus x cube upon this, where a is greater than 0 and x lies between this. So first steps, let x is equal to a tan theta implies x upon a equal to tan theta implies theta equal to tan inverse x upon a. Give equation number 1. Now substitute value of x equal to tan inverse 3a square. In place of x write a tan theta minus x cube means a cube tan cube theta. In denominator a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta. Next steps, tan inverse a square into a cube common. So we get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. Similarly in denominator a cube common. So we get 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Bracket close. A cube and a cube cancel because a is greater than equal to 0, not equal to 0. We can cut. And this is identity of 10th class. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Tan 3 theta. Tan inverse tan 3 theta equal to 3 theta if 3 theta belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So please check. X lies between this means x belong to small bracket minus a by root 3 to a by root 3. What is x? A tan theta. So a tan theta belong to minus a by root 3 to a by root 3. Dividing throughout by a. A is positive quantity, so we can divide. So infinity remains same. Tan theta belong to minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3. Then theta belong to tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. Then theta equal to 30 degree means pi by 6 and tan theta equal to minus 1 by root 3. Then theta equal to minus 30 degree means minus pi by 6. So minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. But here is 3 theta. So theta belong to this. Then 3 theta belong to 3 into minus pi by 6. So minus pi by 2, 3 into pi by 6, pi by 2. So 3 theta belong to this. Means principal value branch of tan inverse x. So tan inverse tan 3 theta equal to 3 theta. Now substitute value of theta. Tan inverse x upon a. Next problem. Tan 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square mod x is less than 1 means x lies between minus 1 and 1, y greater than 0 and xy less than 1. If there is no condition, then we can write directly this is identity sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x and cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square equal to 2 tan inverse y, and we can solve this question in two lines, but this time condition is given. So first simplify first one. It is better for whole question just take together. Tan 1 by 2 sin inverse, let us consider x equal to tan n. Let x equal to tan n and y equal to tan b implies a equal to tan inverse x and b equal to tan inverse y. Sin inverse 2 tan n upon 1 plus tan square n plus cos inverse 1 minus tan square b upon 1 plus tan square b is equal to tan 1 by 2 sin inverse, this is the identity sin 2n plus cos inverse cos 2b. Sin inverse sin theta equal to theta if theta belong to its principal value branch. So please check value of a. Mod x is less than 1. It means x belong to minus 1 to 1. X means tan n. So tan n belong to minus 1 to 1. So a belong to tan a equal to 1, then a equal to 45 degree means pi by 4. Tan a equal to minus 1 means a equal to minus pi by 4. So minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 implies 2a is equal to 2a belong to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So in place of this we can write tan 1 by 2 sin inverse sin 2 equal to 2n plus. अब now check b. Since y is greater than 0 means 0 is less than y. Tell me value of y. Tan b. Any number is greater than 0 but at least less than infinity means tan b lies between 0 to infinity. We can also write tan b belong to 0 to infinity, small bracket. It means b belong to tan 90 not defined means pi by 2 or tan 0 0. So 0 to pi by 2. Then 2b belong to 0 to pi. So again cos inverse cos 2b equal to 2b because 2b belong to 0 to pi, principal value branch of cos inverse x. Next step 10 multiply 1 by 2. So we get a plus b equal to 10. In place of a we can write tan inverse x. In place of b we can write tan inverse y. Now apply formula. Clearly it is given xy is less than 1. So we can apply formula tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x equal to x. So x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Thank you.